It's beer o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer. Today we've got a bottle of Bird of Prey IPA by the Dutch brewery Uiltje Brewing Company. Absolutely love these labels. I think they're absolutely fantastic. Just very cartoony. Makes you pick up the bottle and read the label, which is very important this day and age when there's so many beers to choose from. Actually having a beer in your hand and looking at it is halfway there to buying the beer. There's the bottle cap. Let's get the beer out into a glass and see what we get. Nice bit of smoke on the opening. Beer in the glass then. Oh, look at this. Perfect carbonation. Perfect head. Slightly hazy. Amber coloured beer. Golden amber coloured beer. Good carbonation. Looks great. Doesn't that look really good? Doesn't that look like something you just want to dive your nose in and get stuck in? Oh, yeah. Lots of American hops. Grapefruit, pine, fleshy blood orange. Orange peel. You smell the yeast a little bit in there. And it's one of the hardest things you can ever describe, yeast. One of the hardest things you can ever try and describe, unless it's German yeast or Belgian yeast or Saison yeast, which then you can describe. But there's just a it's such a difficult thing to try and explain. Is that the American IPA yeast that they use, you can just get a slight faint aroma of it. Anyway, let's dive in. Cheers. Boom! Stone the Crows. Stone the Crows. What an awesome beer. Do you know, I love an IPA with lots of flavour and a bitterness on the back end. And this has both of them things. It's piney, it's citrusy, it's grapefruity. Fleshy blood orange, hint of sweetness mixed with some biscuity bready malt. Good level of carbonation. Very piney, bitter, spicy back end, which I really like in an IPA. The IBUs in the beer are quite high. A very good quality IPA. It's 5.8% ABV, if I've not mentioned it already. It's got a little bit of a candied, right on the back end, even, you know, when I'm belching. It's like a little bit of a candied flavour just coming back, repeating itself on me, if you like. But that's part of beer drinking. I can't stand here for 4 minutes downing carbonated beer without bringing a little bit of it back. I try not to, but it's part of being a beer reviewer. You can't not do it. You know, it's a natural thing to do. Excellent drinkability. It's a really refreshing, juicy, citrusy, drinkable, lovely IPA that you can really, I mean, look, I've poured the whole bottle in, nothing left, and I'm tucking into this nicely. It's really slipping down, really kind of refreshing me. All them flavours with that refreshment. It's refreshment flavour, that piney, that citrusy. If you think of a grapefruit, you know, if you squeeze half a grapefruit, it's going to run down your kind of arm, and it's going to look refreshing. Lemon, orange peel, fleshy blood orange, that, you know, that type of punch bowl fruit almost flavour. A little touch of mango there, if I'm talking about punch bowl fruit. It's a very, very good IPA. I'm a big fan of it, to be honest. I'm a big fan of this brewery. I reviewed a double IPA a few weeks back, and I really liked it. Never had anything from this brewery before. Reviewed this double IPA, and I sent it to them on Facebook or maybe LinkedIn, or they found me somewhere. I sent it to them maybe on Facebook, and we had a chat, and they said, do you want to try some beer? And I thought, yeah, fantastic. And every beer that I've had from these guys has been wonderful. Really good quality stuff. Let's rate it. So, Bird of Prey IPA. Love the label. Love the glass of beer. Love the look of the beer. Look at that lacing on the glass. Good aroma. Great taste. I'm going to give that a 9 out of 10. It's a 9 out of 10 from Real Ale Craft Beer. Stone the Crow's beer then. Put your comments in the comments box. Please subscribe to our daily beer reviews. Give us a big fat thumbs up. Boom! And cheers.